Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for September 17th to 27th. For September 13th to 27th, let's see if I have the right map. We have a recurving typhoon that will be occurring over the Pacific, and we have a trough that's over Asia, trough developing here, and this will tend to favor a trough in the east. At the current time, we have a ridge that's over here over the west, and also over the western Atlantic and the southeast, that will merge together and form one large ridge covering the southern states. You also have a zone of flow here across the northern states. That's how it's forecast to look like. Now, initially, this is at the start of the period. We have a front that will be moving through the eastern states, and this will cause a broad area of rain, which could be locally heavy. And then we have a Canadian high that will build into the region, and this will bring several days of drier, cooler weather as that pattern takes hold across Asia. And then in the meantime, the combination of the southern moisture and the front that will be moved here to the east will sink to the southern states, and this will cause multiple days of locally heavy rain across the southeast, from Texas to the southeast. And then also the combination of this, possible tropical development across the northern Gulf of Mexico will also enhance the rainfall across this area. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for September 18th to 22nd. And a zone of flow remains across the northern states, and we have a large ridge across the southern states. And we have above normal heights across much of the nation. So with that said, I'm forecasting, let me get to the maps, above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal. For precipitation, column 4, is this the right map? Yep. Above normal precipitation for the northwest and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation for this area here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. And looking ahead for the period for September 23rd to 27th, overall looking at little overall change in circulation. So this is how the forecast the weather map will look with the above normal height zone of flow across the country. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting little change in the temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this area here. Probability of occurrence is 40%. And then we have above normal precipitation for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is up to 40%. A couple things I want to look at here. This would be let me see. This will be the smoke as it looks like the smoke coverage and the current fires that are going on. We have smoke going all the way out into the plains and going out to the Pacific. See right here, these are the fires. I also have some fires going on down here across the lower Mississippi Valley. That's a look for it here. And what's the other map I want to show? Okay, hold on a second. I have something else. I think I closed it by accident. And this is a look. Whoops. And this is a look at the current tropical situation. And look at the waves that we had moving across. We have one here, here, one moving off now. And then we have our current tropical systems also here off the southeast coast. So there's a lot of activity going on. And this is the peak of the hurricane season. We have to see which one of these develop. I don't know. Sometimes when they get too close to each other, one or two dies out, one takes over, or you might get the Fujiwara effect. Okay, that's all for now. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for September 13th to 27th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.